Hey Teabags, what's going on? And I am doing a tech video. I haven't done one of these for quite a while, and as you can see, I got a package here. Hopefully you don't see my address, but if you want to send me anything, just let me know, because I'm a nice person. I'm not ready. No. Anyway, we're doing a tech review. Like I say, I normally do these when I buy a lot of tech, and I'm kind of waiting for Black Friday when it comes around, and I'm going to buy some more tech. But I bought something, I probably should have waited till Black Friday, but I bought something anyway. And I have already opened it, and it's already on my thing that I've basically got. Anyway, we've opened that. We don't need that. Anyway, so the thing that I bought is for my Oculus Quest 2. If you guys don't know, I do play VR games. I should really play more VR games on my YouTube channel than I did before, because I used to play a lot of VR chat, and I used to play all different types of VR games. But anyway, as you can see my Quest 2 over there, I have kind of made it the FrankenQuest. If you guys know this, or if you don't know this, there's a picture right here, right now, and this is the FrankenQuest. Basically, people are using the Deluxe, HTC Deluxe audio headset, like the headset strap thing, and it's pretty good. It's alright. It's not, it's not too bad. There's the things that I want to talk about it, and then see what you guys think. But anyway, let me just go and grab it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the Quest 2. Okay, before I show you the FrankenQuest, you know what, it's a very good name. Whoever came up with the FrankenQuest name is amazing. But before I show you that, I'm going to show you what I did have on my Quest 2. I had the, I'm guessing this is called the Elite Strap. I can't actually remember. I got this because on the Quest 2, if you have a Quest 2, the normal strap that it comes with is basically, it's not, would you class it as a strap? It's just one of these things, and it's not this. It's just like a fabric, and you like attach. It's really bad. It is really bad what it comes with. But then again, I kind of understand it, because that's how they cut the cost of the Quest 2, which is understandable. So I would recommend, if you want to get one of these, but then that's what I would recommend back in the day when I first got it. But then, I don't know, like I've got some marks on it, and it's all right. It's good. Now, what I recommend now is, obviously, if you really use your Quest 2 quite a lot and you're willing to pay, because it is kind of expensive in effect. It's not that expensive, but it's expensive if you've just literally recently bought the Quest 2. But I would recommend getting it if you are going to play the Quest 2 for a long period of time and you want to watch films inside it, or, I don't know. Anybody can say why they want to get it. If you've got the money, buy it. If not, then you can buy something like this, or something cheaper, alternative, if you want to. But anyway, I don't use this anymore, so yeah, but it's still good. It's still good. I'll keep it around. And the one that I've got is actually here, and what it's called is called the HTC Vive Deluxe Audio Strap. And this is, like I said, if you've got the money, you can buy it. It costs about, I don't know, 100 or something, 100 and something pound. And you know what, I could actually check my Amazon real quick. You know what, I'm going to check just to make sure I'm actually 100% right, because I don't want to, say wrong stuff. So I'm going to check my order on Amazon. It cost me, if I go to it real quick, the audio strap itself costs £109.99, but you can get it in a bundle, because you will need to get it in a bundle. If you are buying this strap, you need to buy it in a bundle for the Quest 2. You can actually find bundles online, because you need to buy it in a bundle, because it has to have 3D printed brackets that it will hook onto your Quest 2. It will not hook onto your Quest 2 without them. So you will be able to find bundles for it where people have, made 3D printed, which I'll show you in a sec. But anyway, that's what it comes in. It's kind of a niche box, really, nothing really on it. It's just that, pretty much. And it's the Vive Deluxe audio strap. It's HTC, and if you open it, it will come like that. It will come inside it, and basically, you've got your HTC book, which you don't really need, and you've got, for some reason, it comes with like wire straps, which I don't know why you would need. Maybe you will need it for something, I don't know, but hey, at least it comes with it. And yeah, that's pretty much, it comes with all that. But we want to talk about the 3D printed clips that it comes with. I kind of call them clips. I don't know what they are, but let me show you what it looks like. So this is obviously the Quest 2. And as you can see, it kind of does look pretty cool. Like, to me, the black and white look pretty cool. Like, this is what it looks like. It looks very nice. I've got some proper foamy stuff on there. And the reason why people get this is because the audio is so much better. If you've got a Quest 2 and you listen to the audio, it comes out of these little speakers here, the little holes, and it's just, you can hear it, right? You can grantly hear it. Grantly, I don't know what I'm saying, but you can hear it. It's fine. It's perfect. You know, it's not, it is what it is for your money that you get. But if you buy these, you're getting more than perfect. You're getting like cinema quality. No, you're not. You're not getting that much quality, but it's better. It's better than the default. And to be honest, the headset looks great. You've got an easy like access at the back where you can like pull it out and pull it back in if you want it shorter. And it's just great. It's easy to put on. You know, you just hook it into there. It's the right side where everything goes. Your cables are all like hooked up. You're not gonna knock them. You know, they're pretty much fine, and it's kind of easy to hook in. So as you can see, the white bits here, these are the 3D printed. Basically, I thought this was complicated, right? But it's easy. Listen, if I can do it, you guys can do it, right? Basically, you buy the bundle, you get these, you slide them in, yeah? And then you click that into that. That's it. That is it. Simple. You don't really need me to show it. There was no guides that come in the box, but if you really want a guide, people can probably show you on YouTube. I could probably show you on YouTube. But basically, the premise is, before you put the head strap on, you get the 2 clips, slide them on the, I'm going to call them arms, slide them on the arms, yeah? Where the strap would go, and then put them to the length there, just on the edge, because I don't think they'll go any further. They might do actually, which will be pretty weird. I don't think you'll want them to go any further. Maybe they do, but anyway, this is how I've done it. And then these have got like little bumps, and all you have to do is click it in and press it, and that's it. They've clicked in. It's kind of simple. And if you want to see me wearing it. Do you want to see me wearing it? I can see it. So, okay. All you have to do is that. And then it'll probably turn on. Put it over your head. Click it in. Easy. And then you put the ears like that. Sorted. I can't see right now. So, Teabags, you're amazing. Yeah. This is what it looks like when I'm in VR. I feel like a nutty professor. But that is pretty much it. The good. And then you can clip these back. Click them back and boom, you're off. It's so much better. The only things that I find kind of weird is I don't personally, with me, I don't trust this. I really don't trust this, and maybe I've had stuff in the past that I feel like if something happens, this is the thing that's going to break, because you get this plastic thing because another thing, you have to hook a strap around this to go into this, and then hook that around to that. So you'll get that when you buy the bundle as well, because that can't go into that, which is, you'll understand how it goes. But yeah, this has been the FrankenQuest, I guess. I'm going to take a screenshot because, you know, you need to take a screenshot. The Frankie Pank. How would I call it? FrankenQuest? Yeah, it's just called the Frankie Wank. Wait, don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that. But hey, I hope you guys enjoy. And like I always say, please subscribe, FrankenQuest. You Teabags are amazing, and thank you for all the support. I know this has been a different video, but I do tech videos, and I hope you guys do enjoy the tech videos. But you guys are amazing. Please subscribe, FrankenQuest, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video I do. Bye.